Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to log in to Squarespace step by step. I'll be showing you this on the web version. Open a web browser and in the address bar at the top, type in squarespace.com/login and hit enter to navigate to the page. Once the page loads, you'll land on the Squarespace login page. You should see two text input fields, one labeled email and one labeled password. Below those fields, you'll see the login button. You'll also notice options to continue with Google, Apple, or Facebook if you set up your account using one of those. For this walkthrough, we'll use email and password. Click into the first field, which is the email field, and type in the email address you used when you signed up for your Squarespace account. Once your email is entered, click into the password field below and type in your password. The characters will show as dots as you type. With both fields filled in, click the login button. You'll see a brief loading indicator as Squarespace verifies your credentials. After a moment, if your login details are correct, you'll be automatically redirected to your Squarespace admin dashboard. This is your control center for managing your website. What you see next depends on how many sites you have. If you only have one site connected to your account, Squarespace will take you straight into that site's dashboard and you'll be ready to start working. If you manage multiple sites under your account, you'll land on your home menu instead. Here you'll see all your sites displayed as preview tiles. Each tile shows a thumbnail image of the site's homepage, the site title at the top, and the primary domain name underneath. To open a specific site, just click on its tile, and you'll be taken into that site's admin panel. A couple of quick tips before we wrap up. Bookmark the login page at squarespace.com/login so you can access it quickly next time. If you set up your account with Google, Apple, or Facebook instead of email and password, click that button on the login page and follow the prompts. And once you're logged into your dashboard, you can edit and publish content, customize your website layout, manage integrations, monitor visitor traffic, and handle e-commerce features if you have them set up. And that's how to log into Squarespace. Thanks for watching.